Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you very beautiful and interesting designs of jute craft, jute wrapped bottle recycle ideas, messengers recycle ideas, and you can apply it at home. Very beautiful and impressive designs applied the head of bottle and make some glue on it and you can try it at home and wrap this with jute rope. So add some lights, fairy lights, and after that cut it the rope and so you can watch in this video. Hope you like all designs. Watch till the end. Here's the best designs and best videos for you. So watch till the end, stay tuned with us. Hope you like the designs and ideas. Make some different types of jars, make some lamps, make some ideas of this, and you would definitely enjoy this video. You're gonna enjoy this video, and tell me your opinion in the comment section. We will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So we are very thankful to you. We are really thankful to you who is commenting on my channel and show your opinion in my comments. So thank you for watching. Today we bring for you the ideas of recycled jars, bottles and wasted trash. Whatever is this plastic bottles, this mason jars, this jam bottle, these are very interesting ideas for you. So your opinion and your words are very helping for us, and we are definitely going to make video for our viewers, and this upcoming season will help you how to grow your business. And this video and my videos gives you a tips how to make beautiful recycled jar and how to grow business on this season. So viewers, what do you think about that? These are interesting designs or not? I am sure these are pretty beautiful and interesting. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care, stay blessed, and watch till the end. Here is some different design. So viewers, these mason jars are really appreciable and very beautiful. So everybody has this types of trash mason jar. Hello viewers, again welcome. कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? I hope you all are fine. So viewers, in this video we're going to show you very beautiful and amazing ideas of recycled mason jars, recycled craft, and very amazing beautiful ideas. So hope you like that all ideas and designs. Watch till the end and stay tuned with us and follow for more designs. If these designs are useful for our viewers and useful for our subscribers, definitely you have to subscribe. But move on. So viewers, bottle cycle is very important and necessary for us because every bottle has trashed, and where we gone we don't know. And study shown that bottle stayed in 100 years on planet or planets and cause of pollution, and stayed on planet like an ocean, and it doesn't trash. So now decided we gonna show you the designs and make treasure by trash. So viewers, these designs give you a hope, these designs give you attention, and these designs gives you recycle ideas. You can recycle bottle, you can recycle jar. Everybody has mason jars, empty jam jars, and pickle jar, chips jar, whatever you have. So these jars are very useful and amazing for you. These jars, you can use it by craft, you can use it on craft on your home, and for centerpiece, for gift piece, what you makes feel happy, you have to do that. Think about yourself. You are perfect. So these design in this video we show you some tips, some ideas. First of all, we should take all jar and wash it in boil water, or they are very important. And this video will show you very beautiful and amazing designs, very beautiful and amazing ideas. So in this video we show you the designs of how you make this. We gives you the advice and show you some pictures. In this video we show you a beautiful burlap art. Take some burlap fabric, take some old fabric, wash the mason jars. Do you want to do that? So mason jars is very productive and very beautiful. And India, most of the people enjoy to do this, and it's very mindful, healthy for mind. These are very interesting for our mind. So viewers, hope you like the all designs, hope you like the answer, hope you like the our video. We gonna show you an interesting design. So take a mason jar, take a jar or bottle, wrap it with jute or silk, wrap it with jute or silk, make some ribbon or jute rope on this neck and give them a rustic look. So want to make another idea, so you can watch our video, you can watch the channel, you can join us. And your comments is very meaningful for me, and I'm very thankful to you that you give me some meaningful things. So viewers, it's a very nice day. I wish you all, ladies you are watching, I wish you all are happy for all the time. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members.